Welcome. If you're looking to enable SMS access for WhatsApp on your Android device, you're in the right place. Granting SMS permission can help WhatsApp automatically detect verification codes and enhance your experience during setup or number changes. Here's a simple, step-by-step guide to get you started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. You'll usually find the Settings app on your home screen or in your app drawer. It's the icon that looks like a gear. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps or App Management. Depending on your device, it might also be listed as Apps and Notifications. This section lets you manage all the apps installed on your phone. Now, look for WhatsApp in the list of installed apps. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Once you spot WhatsApp, tap on it to open the app's settings page. Here, you'll see several options. Find and tap on Permissions. This menu displays all the permissions WhatsApp can request, such as camera, contacts, microphone, and, of course, SMS. Next, locate SMS in the list of permissions. Tap on SMS and you'll see options like Allow or Deny. Select Allow to grant WhatsApp access to your SMS messages. This ensures WhatsApp can read incoming verification codes automatically, making the setup process smoother. And that's it. You've now successfully allowed SMS access for WhatsApp. If you ever want to change this permission, just follow these steps again and adjust the setting as needed. Remember, granting SMS access is optional, but it can make account verification much easier. If you're concerned about privacy, you can always review what permissions are enabled for WhatsApp in your phone's settings at any time. Thanks for following along. For more helpful tips and updates, stay tuned and keep your apps running smoothly.